Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. Now, today I want to talk about overthinking and just getting started because that's what stops a whole lot of people from getting started as they thinking about what can go wrong, what can happen. But I got a secret. About 99% of the stuff that you worry about, it's not even going to happen. So why worry about it? Just keep it moving. Just get out there and do it, because if you keep on thinking about it, guess what? It's going to be another year and you'll still be thinking about it. So I'm going to tell you guys, the action takers are the ones that's going to make it, because you can sit back and think all day, and if you don't take action, it's nothing going to happen. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And also, if you want the information, go to www.enjoymylife.info. That's www.enjoymylife.info. And y'all be great. And remember, just get started. This is Booker Williams. Y'all be great.